Copying a Nice Floor-s rolling code, remote control to a Multikoo Slide 433. The operation is the same for 2 or 4 keys models. The copying and storing operation is the same for all 433 MHz rolling code remote controls of this series. Step 1. Reset the Multikoo Slide 433 remote control. Simultaneously press button 1 and 2 on the Multikoo Slide until the LED flashes 3 times. While holding down button 1, press button 2 3 times until the LED flashes. Release the Multikoo Slide keys. The remote control is ready to copy. Step 2. Copy of the Nice Flor-s remote control with 2 or 4 buttons. Place the 2 remote controls side by side with the original on the left and the Multikoo Slide on the right. Press and hold down the first button on the Nice original remote control. Then press the first button on the Multikoo Slide 433. When the remote control LED lights up steadily, release the buttons. Copying is complete. Now, the Multikoo Slide transmits a rolling code compatible with Nice Flor-s on each button and is ready to be stored in the control unit. Step 3. A. Remote storage of the duplicate Multikoo Slide on the Nice receiver. Approach the automation. Press and hold the key to be memorized on the Multikoo Slide for 5 seconds. Slowly press the functioning button of the original Nice remote control 3 times. Press the new key to memorize again for 2 seconds. Wait 5 seconds for exiting the learning mode. Your new Multikoo Slide has been memorized in the control unit and is ready for use. To memorize the remote control on a different automation, repeat the same operations with the proper keys. Step 3B. Direct storage of the duplicated Multikoo Slide on a Nice Floor receiver. Press and release the P1 key on the receiver. The L1 LED lights up. Within 5 seconds, press and hold down the Multikoo Slide button to be memorized until LED L1 on the receiver switches off. When the LED goes off, press the same button on the Multikoo Slide once again. The LED L1 will flash 3 times, indicating that the new remote control has been correctly learned.